Innovative additions to kitchen cabinetry bring forth a magical transformation. Benefits of custom cabinetry lie not only in the aesthetics, but also in the personalized functionality and accessibility they provide. New interior cabinet accessories offer innovative options to maximize storage, organization, and accessibility. Corner cabinet solutions. Store small kitchen appliances to minimize countertop clutter. Easily access dry foods and canned goods with pull-out gliding baskets. Locate pots and dishware with independent turning trays. No longer do homeowners need to stretch or rummage through cluttered spaces to find what they seek. Pull-out organizers. Seamlessly organize containers and lids with cleverly designed dividers. Clear, airtight canisters store dry foods. Safely conceal knives and easily access kitchen utensils. Trash and recycling. Discreetly keep household recycling organized with pull-out trash centers. No longer are kitchens overwhelmed by trash and composting. Pantry cabinets. Pantries are transformed with full extension, pull-out shelves. Access and locate stored goods conveniently. Drawers and pull-out shelves. Cabinets once plagued by the inconvenience of reaching to the back depths are now easily accessible through full extension drawers and pull-out shelves. Discover how custom cabinetry can impact your kitchen experience and improve the lifestyle of your household.